Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna be making this bridal centerpiece, and this is the centerpiece I'm gonna be using for my wedding. So yeah, me and my daughter actually came up with it. So yes guys, I'm not a florist. I'm also not an event decorator or anything like that. Me and my daughter just made this, and we thought it was so pretty. I am Mexican, so people do take centerpieces home, and I wanted something that's gonna be long lasting or also useful. And with fresh flowers, you know, they're gonna die. Cute people can put it in their home for decoration or give it to somebody else. Okay, so one thing that's real here is dried palm leaves, and then the Pampas grass, and then the bunny tails, and the Ruscus, I believe. I'm sorry guys, I'm pronouncing this wrong. And I think this is a Ruscus is real, but I'm not 100% sure. I'll have to check on that, and I also will link everything where I got it from, and mostly everything I got it from Amazon. Okay guys, so we're gonna start out with our vase. You can use any vase you may have. I'm using this particular vase, and I got it from Hobby Lobby a couple years ago, and it's actually one of my home decor items, but I'm gonna use it for this video. And I actually really love this vase. I'm gonna see if I can try to find more if I don't like the ones I got from Temu. So yeah, I got this one from Hobby Lobby, and I ordered like 5 different ones from Temu, sorry, and I'm gonna see if I like one of those, or if I want to stick to this one. But I don't know if they even have this one anymore, since again I did buy this a couple of years back. So yeah, now I'm gonna find something similar. Definitely, my whole theme inspired for our wedding is boho theme, so everything's gonna be boho, so I'm really excited for that. So I'm gonna be the one that's mostly gonna be doing the decor. I did get some, I've seen some images and also inspirations from Pinterest, and honestly, they're really beautiful, don't get me wrong, but I haven't found like the exact one that I'm really looking for. Like, I don't want to copy anybody either. I want to have my own, you know, my own design, everything for my wedding. And I don't want it to be similar to others, if that makes sense. So that's why I want to make my own design, and also like my own decor like the way I like it, and just different, you know, similar but different. You know, everybody wants their own unique thing for their wedding, you know. I'm gonna do my decor for my wedding, and also I want to do a lot of DIYs for you guys. So, you know, people that are not budget like me, yeah, I'm not rich, and definitely all this stuff is really expensive. And but yeah, it has been expensive. I love doing things like this. I love doing arts and crafts. For those who follow me on Instagram, you guys know I love to do all these kinds of DIYs, and I just love being creative, you know. I love trying new things, and so yeah, it's definitely gonna be a challenge. And I am actually very nervous. Even right now, I'm just nervous just thinking about it and talking to you guys about it, because I have no idea what I'm doing. But when I trust the process and just go along and see where it takes me, you know, and just risk and try new things. I'm gonna go ahead and risk it and try it. You know, we only have one life to live, and just live it, and you know, just have fun. So that's what I'm gonna try my best to do, and not stress. I'm not gonna lie, I'm stressed right now because it's, you know, just very little time, and we still have so much to do. But I'm very excited. I really am, and I cannot wait. I'm very excited. I can't wait to show you guys all the DIYs that are coming to my channel, and so I can share with you guys and help you guys out as well. Guys, I watched a lot of YouTube videos and looked up a lot of things online on how to create like your own floral design, you know. And I'm not an expert or anything, and I'm sorry if I mispronounce a lot of these flowers. I'm not a florist again, or like a florist decorator or anything like that, floral expert. But so yeah guys, I'm just gonna show you guys the items I know and what I use. So we're gonna start off with this Pampas grass. This is like mid-tone, like a mid-tone brown. Sorry if the color does not picking it up really well, but it's like on the lighter side. There's different colors of Pampas. There's white, there's like a light brown, there's like even like cream color. But yeah, for my wedding, I'm gonna have a lot of neutrals, like neutrals and pinks. That's gonna be my colors of my wedding. So these are the Pampas that I got. and I got these from Amazon, and it came with a bunch of dry flowers. It came like in a bundle, so I'm definitely gonna post it somewhere around here for you guys, and I'm also gonna put it in the description below. I'm gonna link all the items there. I forgot how many it came with for each one, but I'm definitely gonna order some more. I just ordered a couple just to see if I liked it or not, and so far I really liked it. So they came with this type of pampas grass, like the mid-tone browns, and they also came with these here, these white ones. And I suggest you guys also to use a blow dryer to fluff these up, or I would put them outside and leave it there for a day or so, and it'll fluff up on its own. But since here it's actually snowing, so I definitely cannot do that. So I have to use a blow dryer, and just do it on a low setting. Don't do it on a high setting, but it will fluff up on its own, and I'll show you guys what I mean. Yeah, and definitely apply some hairspray to these too, and it'll make them stay longer and shed less. So as you can see now, look how much it has fluffed up. Look, this one compared to this one, but definitely you want to shake it up a little bit. Like compared to the ones I have here, they're really thin. See that? The difference already. So yeah, like I said, but it'll fluff up even more if you use a blow dryer. I just wanted to show you guys on like camera, if you once you shake it a little bit, how much it will fluff up a little bit. But yeah, that's what it came up with these as well. And then I ordered the palm leaves separately. They have different ones online, so they have different colors. Like I got the natural, I believe, and I got the white ones. But I'm definitely gonna order more of these because I'm gonna need more for sure. I love the dried palm leaves. So yeah, it usually comes with white, natural, and even like a darker ones. So yeah, they have different tones, even different colors too. I've seen like pink ones and stuff like that, but I love the white and the natural. Oh, and it come with the bunny tails, they're called. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. So yeah, it come with the bunny tails. And then and I got this particular, I can't pronounce it, Ruscus, I believe. Let me go ahead and show you guys. You have to be very careful with these. So this is how they look like. So it comes with really big ones, but I actually snapped some of them because they're kind of really big, but you can adjust it to the size that you want it. So I just cut it like this size here. Sorry, I'm focusing, but yeah, that's how it looks like. Telling you guys about like how long it is. So it's really big. So comes like with, you can just cut little branches off and, adjust it to the size you want. You can make it even shorter, cut it, whatever you want to do, but that comes like this big. So I think have plenty of these because it did come with like 10 sheets of these, and they're very beautiful. I love the pattern of these. And there's different kinds too. I'm not even sure if this covers, but when I looked it up on Amazon, this is what it gave me. And I really like this one, and there's different ones. Like I said, they're like less, and the different shapes too. That's what it said. It was called Ruscus. So yeah, it's called Ling's flowers. Again, I'll post the link somewhere in my description around here. The ones I got, and honestly, guys, I'm very surprised with these flowers. They look really realistic, even though they're fake. As you guys can see, look how pretty they look. Kinds of roses in the set. The set I got came with like orchids, but honestly I was very disappointed in how the orchids look, so I'm not gonna use that. Look like the fakest out of all of them, but yeah, look at this rose here. This is really pretty, and it looks like really realistic. And then it came with like another foam type of flower. This is the other one. This color is very pretty too. So this feels like more like a foamy type of texture, but it doesn't look like cheap. It looks really pretty too. And this is like another natural color too. It's like a very like brown tone pink. Sorry, you guys can't see that. It's a very brown tone pink. It's really pretty as well. And then came with like white one too. Sorry, the camera was really bright. This flower it actually only came with one. I'm very disappointed because again, each of the flowers are made differently with different materials, but this one here only came with one, which I was bummed because this one actually feels and looks the realest. And you guys can see, look at that. It's so pretty. And it feels like a real flower. Not the back part of it, but the front of it, it feels so real. So I'm really surprised. So yeah, guys, I'm really shocked with that. And so yeah, it came in a set, and I'm definitely gonna order probably more roses. I'm not sure yet. I wish they would just sell like these kind of, probably gonna be a little bit more expensive, but I really love the feel of it and the look of it. Look how, you guys can see, look how pretty it is. So yeah, guys, I'm definitely gonna get some more probably. But then I feel bad because I'm gonna be stuck with the rest of them, but I'm not sure because I think I'm not gonna be using this color. I feel like this color is a little too dark. So I want more like, you know, more neutral tones, more like this pastel pink and like the more brown tone pinks, you know, something that goes more together. So yeah, I'm gonna definitely have to see. What I've learned, usually you start off with the larger items. So I'm gonna be using the darker Pampas. And I'm gonna like put them to the side like this. So like the hanging type of look, you know. I want to look fullest as possible. So yeah, I'm gonna put these to the side just to make it look fuller that way. And then I'm gonna apply this, this is a white Pampas. So yeah, I forgot to even mention it to you guys. This is a white Pampas. So I'm gonna use that and put it in the middle. Just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the palms, and I'm gonna go ahead and have one that way, palm spears, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put this one like this. So one is higher than the other one, but you know, again, it's up to your choice how you guys want to have them. If you guys want to have them same length, but I like one higher than the other. And what I like about these, you can cut them, you know, to your size that you like. And the bunny tails, I'm just gonna go ahead and put them right here too. And you can apply more if you guys, you know, want them to make it look more fuller. It's actually you guys' preference. Besides that, the only problem I have with this flower actually is the fact that it's really hard to cut. It's like a metal. The other ones are really easy to just cut. It's a lot better because, you know, it's not as thick as this one. Because look, you guys can see, look at the stem. They're much more thicker. One is more like rubbery and plastic. The other one's just like paper, I think. And it's just easier to cut, but this one, oh my god, it was terrible to cut. So yeah, guys, use like some pliers or something else to cut it, but yeah, that one was really hard to cut. I'm gonna go ahead and add this one on top. I'm gonna go ahead and add the Ruscus. I'm sorry, I'm pronouncing it wrong. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it like sideways. Oh, and also, guys, I forgot to mention, guys, I got this little foam thingy, these little foam ones, and they're actually in a circle form because I was thinking about getting like the vases, but that are kind of more like in a fishbowl type of way. And I was gonna use these to stick it in there so the actual things can stay in place, as you guys can see. And so you guys can see like what sticks on there to make it stay in place. And but now I'm debating to get even like the different kinds, the ones that has like a small it still has like the foam on top, it is skinny in the bottom, so it makes it easier to go to these type of vases here. Because yeah, all the vases are actually gone, now that I'm thinking about it, they all look like this, the ones that I have ordered from Temu. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna get the different type of foam things. But for right now, this is a trial, so it's not the final thing. So I'm not setting everything yet completely, but it is gonna look like this. But this is gonna help it stay securely. So now this is a trial. So you know, it's just showing you how I'm placing the flowers and everything, but it's not the final finished look. So I will post an update on that, but for right now, this is how we're doing it. And honestly, if you want to just do it like this in this type of vase, it does honestly, it's not really even moving, so you guys can see, unless you really shake it really hard. But I'm moving it around, and as you guys can see, the flowers are not really moving, which is good. But if you wanted something securely so it won't move at all, then definitely get the little foam thingies. But honestly, but by itself, you know, I feel like with this, you don't even actually need it now that I'm looking at it. But I want it to be securely for the day of our wedding, especially when, you know, when we have to travel all our items. So it's gonna stay securely. So that's why I'm gonna definitely get those. And but yeah, let's go ahead and finish it product. So yeah, I'm gonna add a little more Ruscus, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it right over here in this corner. I actually found these little stems, and I forgot where I actually found. I think I found it at our local park, to be honest. And I really like how these look. So I'm gonna try to add them in there too. Just want to see how it looks. So yeah, guys. So this is the final look on this centerpiece. What do you guys think? I think it looks really cute. So yeah, guys. Again, I'm not a professional. Just like an amateur, you know, but still I think it looks very cute and simple, and it looks really pretty again. But honestly, I'm not 100% sure if it's gonna be the final look of this. I am gonna probably tweaking it up a little bit, but it definitely is gonna be something like this. But I'll definitely post an update for you guys, and in the future, just so I can let you guys see what the final look is gonna be. But it's something for sure similar to this, or if not, something like this. But yeah, guys, I really love how it turned out, and I cannot wait to show you more DIYs, like I said. But I'm almost like 75% sure the look is gonna stay like this. So yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think on this tutorial. And again, I'm not a professional, so yeah, guys, let me know in the comments what you guys think of the centerpiece and how it looks. You guys are gonna kill me. I did say I was gonna stop making makeup tutorials for weddings, but I'm definitely gonna make 2 more coming up. For the 2 makeup videos I'm gonna be doing is gonna be high-end products and then also affordable products. So yeah, definitely keep an eye out for that, and can't wait to show you guys the rest of the DIY videos and more videos coming up. And thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye bye.